this is how you guys are cleaning the cupboard?
Yeah!
Nice first bite. Welcome you guys. My name is Myra Khan. Come you guys. Say welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my Maggie's channel, Myra Khan.
Okay, welcome you guys. Feel free to be here. We are cleaning our carpets. Vacation is almost here, and we decided to clean our carpets in our sitting room. We are done with the study and we are done with the loose rugs and this. So we are just cleaning the carpets. Okay? So please stay tuned and see how we are doing these things. Yeah? Good. So you guys, this seemed to be like the most tedious thing to do, but yeah, after shampooing the carpet, I had to suck up the water, otherwise it will not dry of hot smelling. So yeah. So this is how you guys are cleaning the carpet?
Yeah!
Yeah, I caught you guys. I was thinking, why are you taking so long, Kama? Huh? This is what's happening in my house, you guys. The kids are washing the carpet because they are the ones who's making it dirty. You guys are the one who's making it dirty. Let me guys show you the dirt that I'm talking about. Ne? I have proof here. See what was inside the vacuum cleaner. All of this junk was inside. Sweet wrappers, lollipop sticks, and the kitchen is not functional today, so no food. Huh? No food. Can we order pizza instead? Yeah. No food is fun, eh? Yeah. We finished to clean the study, the carpet of the study the other day, and it's already dry like this. This is Armano's work, so we have to clean everything today. You guys are not excited about vacation? That's so. Elsa, tell me, what will you do in this vacation holiday?
I will go on a trip.
Where to?
Okay.
Where do you wanna go? Look at this one. Armano, you are sick already, my baby. What are you doing? Huh? And this soapy water will make your skin itchy. You have to, now you have to take a bath again. You took a bath last night. You are still in your pajamas. Anyway. Stop it. Stop jumping now. This water is dirty. Look how dirty it is. It will make you ouchimos. Huh? And Abuda? Where are you going? What are your plans for December? Okay, December.
I want to go to Swakop.
You want to go to Swakop again?
Yes.
Why don't you want to go to Dubai or Pakistan or Fransfontein or something? No. No. This one, the camera laughs at. And Hada, where are you going? What one? This one is such a horse guy. He likes horses, you guys. In the car, ne? You are going for the bucky to drive around. You guys must be careful, okay? Of the cars. Yeah. All of these guys are expert drivers nowadays. You know? Especially this one. This one. You guys must watch my video of Vanduk, the trip in Vanduk, then you will see what we're talking about.
Very nice.
So let's show our viewers the Ochvarongo town. Look people, we are living right on the intersection. I opened up all the curtains so fresh air can come in and the carpet can dry quickly. So we are living on the intersection here, there. So everybody coming to Angola from Vanduk and from Swakop to Vamland. Everybody must give me a shout out, ne? You guys must look up and say, oh, this is Myra Khan's house. I'm just joking, you guys. But yeah, I'm living up on top here. I see you. I see everybody passing. I see you guys. Yeah. I have a good view from here. I see all the action. Yeah, this is the main street almost in Ochvarongo. So here we're just shampooing all our aerial rugs. We took out a Saturday to do this at my daughter's house. And as you can see, the kids join in and then they made the works so fun. It was like they are in a water park on the slides and things, you know. It was a hot day, so naturally they ended up playing off the water. Especially the youngest Arman was acting as if he's in an amusement park on the water slides. You know, my guys will it takes very little to amuse them, you know, to get lost into play whilst they're working. Yeah, but this is what makes fun to work with children, and this is how we are keeping them busy a little bit and building, you know, bonding over cleaning, because cleaning is not nice, but if you make it fun, then everybody can join in, and then it's a fun, especially doing tedious chores like washing carpets and, you know, sweeping and brooming and shampooing and all those jobs.
This baby.
What are you doing? You are the master at this now.
Yes.
Okay, so you're sucking up the water. Yeah. And this one is doing what?
Yeah?
You're doing what?
Washing
The wall.
the wall, yes.
Washing the wall. Hi you guys, I'm quickly making my my lunch. Elsa, can you please pass me the yogurt
Yeah.
in the fridge?
Yogurt. Where's the yogurt? Here you go.
Thank you, baby. Hada, can you pass me that the pickled bottle? Cucumbers in the fridge, please. The pickle. I'm just making the one. Elsa, where's Arman?
And when it's downstairs, he don't want to come up.
You don't want to come up?
Yep.
Arman!
There you go.
Are you downstairs? You need to come up, okay? You need to come up. My hermano is down the stairs. Where were you? Huh? You wanna see what Mama is doing also?
Whoa.
Whoa! Those chairs are swiveling, you guys. Don't swiveling.
I'm going to stop it.
Hermano, stop it. Yeah, you want water?
Yes. I see. Here, fall down.
Oh, fall down?
What happened?
Oh.
Oh, is it on cute? Come, let's go make some noise.
Let me see. What happened? What happened? So, this is just a random things that I am having in the fridge. Nothing special. I like to cut up random things, and so does my kids nowadays. I don't know, they don't want to eat solid food lunchtime. All of them, all this. Kapundas I'm feeling of greens nowadays. Because people are getting health conscious and they are now exercising and people are going into teenagehood and image is now very important, and so people are doing these types of things.
These are some vibrant looking veggies.
Yeah, I like my
Water.
Elsa gave him water a little bit there, but this water is my water. I put a true lime, a little bit of lime in it. Nah, give him normal water in the fridge. Then this is my favorite.
Salt and
Salt
vinegar.
and vinegar. I add a lot of it. Little bit drizzle, just a little drizzle of olive oil. I don't like it to be too much oily. Then a lot
Of black pepper.
of black pepper. And if I had boiled egg now, that would be fine as well. I would add the boiled egg as well. No, I don't have boiled egg.
Looks like Mama is getting ready to add some yogurt.
Lots of it.
Lots of yogurt.
Lots of yogurt. Lots of yogurt. Then, just give it a little
Mix.
toss to mix it. Like so. It's well mixed now.
Shut.
Everybody's eyeing my salad. But my guys, they already had their lunch and they didn't share.
Oh.
So Mama's not gonna share one single spoon. Okay, maybe 3 spoons they can
Yes, 3 spoons. These veggies look scrumdiddly-umptious, you guys.
Scrumptious. You're coming up with the weirdest words. Okay, this is just a garnish it a little bit. To make it so plain. Plain.
A little bit of lemon water.
A lot of lemon water. Mama likes lemon water.
I want
Hmm?
I like it too, baby.
You like it too, Arman?
Then Mama can go and eat. Let me just grab a fork.
fork.
Yeah.
And there you go.
Yum. Let's try.
Nice first bite.
This is really delicious. You can have it on toast.
You can actually have those type of salads on a lot of things.
Tenderloin toast. And that's my lunch. So now I'll get back to my cleaning and finish. Thank you so much for joining us. And please subscribe, like, and share.
Bye bye.
You guys, let me say goodbye and happy spring cleaning, you guys. Happy summer cleaning, you all. And welcome to our December vacation time. It's a happy time. Happy time. Yeah, super happy. Yeah. Okay, my loves, let's say bye-bye to all my friends on YouTube. To all our friends